Hi, everyone. This is Kathy Scudda. I'd like to thank you for taking time to watch and listen to this brief podcast. My goal is to introduce you to the CLM Center of Excellence website and specifically to this free module called the CLM System and License Overview module. As you may already know, there are many exciting changes coming for CLMers over the next 6 months. Over the past several years, Tucci Learning Solutions has been working behind the scenes to build an infrastructure of resources to support our global CLM implementers. The CLM Center of Excellence is the newest division of Tucci Learning Solutions. The Center of Excellence is devoted to learning, licensing, credentialing, and quality assurance of our CLM infrastructure of tools. And we are now calling the whole kit and all of the various tools the CLM system. We are moving all of our CLM users to the Center of Excellence as a CLM licensed user. This will be the one and only location that you go to access all of the various resources, including the course of study, the management information system, the curricula, all of the various tools, etc. If this is your first time logging on to the CLM or visiting the CLM Center of Excellence site, please, I encourage you, look around. Not everything is fully built out on this website yet, but we are adding to it all of the time. What I really want to draw your attention to is this. At the very top of the page, you will see the module that says CLM System and License Overview. Simply click on this. If it's your first time visiting the site, you will be asked to input your email address, and then you will be given free access to the course. Simply start the course. What you're looking at is the CLM Center of Excellence course management system. All of our courses are now built into this system, and all of our CLM licensed users will also be able to build their own courses within this Center of Excellence site. And so when you look at this, on the left-hand side, you will see the syllabus or the topics for this module. So I just want to orient you to this. This is completely self-paced. I encourage you to look through all of the different slides and learn a little bit more about CLM 101, the CLM system, what it is, and the CLM Center of Excellence. So just beginning with this first page, I just want to orient you a little bit to how you navigate through. These are flip cards. Whenever you see a page with flip cards, it means there's more information on the other side, so you simply just turn them around. For those who are just trying to get a sense of how all of this fits together, what is this CLM Center of Excellence? Who is Vicki Tucci? How does all of this fit together? This slide is meant to help orient you to all of that. You navigate to the next slide either here at the top by navigating to the next page, or you can simply go over and click on the next item in the main syllabus list. This next page is a video, the Competent Learner Model. It's an intro to the CLM video produced by Tucci. And if you haven't had a chance to watch this, it's 6.5 minutes. Next is a PDF of the Competent Learner Model Education White Paper. This is the result of work that we did several years ago, 2 summers ago, to apply for a federal research grant. Unfortunately, we did not get the grant. However, it did allow us to do a thorough literature review and really update and conceptualize how the different components of our model work together and what body of research they are supported by. So I really, really encourage that you take a look at this and certainly update your own reference list by looking at the references included at the end of this paper. Next, section 2 covers the CLM system. As we all know, ABA solutions are not all the same. The Competent Learner Model develops your team expertise. It is a capacity building model. It is not an expert model. So the whole goal is to develop your own in-house skills around operating from an ABA instructional framework and how to use the ABA instructional techniques and tools to work with even the most challenged learners. The way that the Competent Learner Model changes your program is really in a very slow and methodical method. It uses a multi-element iterative process of change, and we go across 4 different phases. We really begin with training and coaching. We work to engineer and change elements of the learning environment. We work on student programming, changing, adding to, amending. We begin taking very specific types of data, and then finally we monitor progress of staff and learners and the fidelity towards the program. And we do all 5 of those. That's this multi-element iterative process. We do all 5 of those, and all of this gets wrapped around the team members who are working with the students. The first core component of the Competent Learner Model is the team-based professional development and coaching tools. Mastery and performance-based training and coaching. We have online course of study. We also have 2 different university certificate programs, and we also have coaching and coach training processes. This page, this slide takes you through some of the team-based professional development tools. Not all, but please take your time to look through some of the team-based professional development tools. These are some of the CLM coach training tools. The next slide really outlines the core component number 2. Core component number 2 is all around our student programming. We have assessments, instructional, and behavior management tools. And again, these are some of those: the CLRA, the placement test, what is the curriculum, what's the participator curriculum, what's a format, What's the contingency design manual? How about the FBA tools? What's an instructional session performance checklist? What's a learner profile? What's with various cheat sheets that we have, etc. Please take your time to go through this and see what is included in your CLM license package. Next is the newest member of our CLM suite of tools, and this is the Competent Learner Management Information System. Some of you may have heard about this. We have been piloting it for several years now, and we continue to make improvements to the MIS. It includes all of the things that you use in paper version are all online. The assessment, pseudo-programming, all of it is in our fully encrypted online cross-platform system. I will take you to the actual learner folder, but I encourage you to go through this module. If you are not familiar with what is included, please take the time to go through this section carefully. And then finally, the third major component is our implementation, fidelity, and sustainability tools. And so we've got a variety of tools. Again, these flip cards are here so that you can, what's this coordination manual and process? What is the coach fidelity checklist? What's this implementation manual? What about the team management binder? Do I even know anything about this? So all of these are the implementation tools. And finally, I will just end with that once you have CLM certified coaches, you are able to innovate. You may use the various tools within a multi-tiered system of support within your organization. So you don't have to use the entire suite of tools with every learner. That obviously is not necessary. But as certified coaches, you can move in and out of using the various tools in ways that support the work within your educational system and settings. Finally, section 3 is about the CLM Center of Excellence. So again, this slideshow really talks about this is the learning and connection portal for our global CLM implementers. Really, the goal is that no matter where you are in the world, if you're a licensed CLMer, we are here to support you. This learning management system is powered by Thought Industries. If you are interested, we are using the world's first learning business platform. This is a business-to-business learning platform, meaning it was specially designed for companies and organizations where learning is our business. And so if you would like to learn more about this and how this works, please watch this brief video that's embedded here. The Center of Excellence will eventually not only have our courses, the CLM course of study, and our various certificate program courses, we will also be hosting webinars and recorded webinars. We would like to also support the development of CLM professional learning communities or special interest groups. And those who are really interested in looking at very specific uses of the competent learner model and aligning the infrastructure of the CLM within your program. We're very interested in supporting that kind of work. We have 2 certificate programs. This is the one that is run through our advanced university coursework with a partnership through West Virginia University Online and Extended Campus. We have 4 different tracks: implementer, coach, leader, and coordinator. We are most proud of our newest offering through Clarion University. We are now offering a BACB verified course sequence. We are interested in training the next generation of behavioral educators. And so this is really a, it can be a standalone certificate program, and it can also be a 5-in-1 program where you can get your master's in special education, have all of the CLM instructor moving towards coach and training coursework, also a gifted ed certificate, and an autism certificate, all in one. Master's, that would be for the master's degree. And then of course, just about any combination of those as well. All of the courses are online, and we also have, for the BCBA component, we have also built in into our program all of the supervision components that are necessary to be able to sit for the exam. We now also have a director of communications, and we are working towards getting a larger presence in social media. You may have noticed Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and you can access any of those from this site as well. The CLM system consists of a myriad of tools, and these are mastery performance-based tools that we use with coaching and training for all staff involved in working with our learners. There's a new coach and training master course series so that we will be providing you with the standardized tools to train your in-house coaches. And your organization will have its own page. So when you, as a licensed organization, you log on to the CLM Center of Excellence, you will be logging into your school page, and that will have access to all of the things that are specific to your school. So this is an example of Team Spartina School District University. So this is their own learning portal. And so there's Team Spartina induction course. There's the CLM course of study. There are some BACB offerings. And then there's their own safety care certification course. And so please take time to look through what it means to have a license on the Center of Excellence site. This is the most updated CLM license fact sheet. We have revisited this as a Tucci organization and are very interested in making this as easy as possible for our current CLM users to remain part of the CLM family of users. We are moving towards our goal of having everybody, all of our implementers on this site migrated to the Center of Excellence site sometime in June. And we want you to know that each CLM license includes the course of study units and tools for as many individuals that you need to enter into the course of study. It also includes all of the learning environment tools, all of the implementation tools. It includes CLM, MIS online learner folders for your learners. It includes CLM assessments, the curricula, the ABA contingency worksheets, the data and graphing tools, and this your own branded business-to-business learning management system. So what we're looking at here for our grandfathered organizations, all of you are grandfathered in. These are organizations who began implementing prior to 2016, may use CLM in-house within your programs operated by your system. You must maintain the service delivery standards, and you must either contract with or employ your own CLM certified coach. The annual fee for this loyalty grandfathered license is $800 per organization. These licenses over here, professional learning environment organization and training lab licenses, are all of our new licensees. This is Team CLM, the Team CLM license, the loyalty grandfathered organizations. Again, $800 per organization, not per learning environment, not per student, not per CLM course of study user, per organization, $800 annually per organization. You get all of these tools, as many as you need, and let's, really think about the value of what you are getting. So this concludes the introduction, and I really hope you will take the time to really look through this carefully. We will be holding informational meetings. If anyone has any questions about the CLM license and how we will be moving forward, please feel free to contact me. Thanks again.